Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve data experimentation with Optimizely easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of data experimentation. Data experimentation is crucial for optimizing user experiences and making informed decisions. First, sign in to your Optimizely account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to your project dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Create Experiment button. Choose the type of experiment you want to conduct: A/B test, multivariate test, or another option. Provide a descriptive name for your experiment to easily identify it later. Next, select the specific web page or app screen you wish to test. Ensure that you have a clear hypothesis for what you aim to discover with the experiment. Define your target audience for the experiment. You can segment users based on behavior, demographics, or other criteria. Now, set the objectives for your experiment. Objectives could include metrics like conversion rates or user engagement. Move on to the visual editor to create variations of your web page or app screen. Add elements, modify text, or change designs to create your desired variations. Preview the changes to ensure they display correctly. Once satisfied, save your variations and proceed to the next step. Configure your experiment settings, including the traffic allocation. Decide how to split the traffic between your original and variation versions. You can set conditions for when the experiment should run. Choose to run it continuously or during specific periods. Next, define the statistical significance level for your results. A common choice is 95%, ensuring reliable results. Review your experiment setup to confirm everything is correct. When ready, click on the Launch button to start your experiment. Monitor the experiment closely once it's live. Check the performance analytics and user interactions regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.